Sorry, she.
Hello beautiful, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing great. Thank you all so much for clicking on this video. I really appreciate every one of you. Please, today is your first time coming across my YouTube channel. You're welcome. My name is Rose. I'm a mommy lifestyle vlogger based in Italy. On this channel we share a lot of videos that you like. Please don't make today your last. Ensure to subscribe. When you subscribe, ensure to notification bell so that anytime we upload any video, you'll be the first person to be notified. And to my returning subscriber, thank you all so much for coming back. So guys, I'm back again today with another video. Today we're preparing banga soup and starch. You know, Delta people, banga soup and starch. Of course, I'm from Delta State, so if you really like to see how I prepare this my soup, please keep on watching, okay? So first of all, I'm introducing all my proteins to you guys. I have my fish, I have my meat, my cow leg, my cow skin. This is the meat ring. They call it runabout in Nigeria. I don't know how they call it in English. So first of all, I'll be washing all this meat. After washing the meat, I will cut this fish into pieces and also wash them, okay? Because I don't want this video to be too long, so I won't be showing you guys where I'll be washing the meat and also the fish. So guys, after washing them, I'll put everything inside my pot and then I'll go ahead and add some onion, some pepper, some garlic. I don't cook without garlic. If you know me, you know, because garlic have enough benefits to our body, but many people don't, they are not aware of this. So me, I always put garlic in my food. Even if I put pepper soup, I put garlic. So here are the fish. I've already washed and cleaned them. Here is my cow skin. I will not be steaming it with the other meat because I don't want it to be too soft, okay? So guys, I will go ahead now and add some onion, some garlic, and then some pepper and blend everything. Then I will use it to steam my meat, okay? Here is the pepper, the garlic, the onions inside my blender. Put a little water inside and then blend everything. Blend it very smoothly because I don't want to see any kind of onions and particles for my food. So I will blend blend life come off for your body. I will not add it inside my pot, okay? So because my electric gas I not gonna know wetin dey do and the thing just dey malfunction, I will be using the normal gas to steam my meat. This my electric gas, sometimes you go just fuck my style up, but me I no gree for am. This 2024 they say no gree for anybody, so me no dey gree for this my gas. I say no worry, even if you fuck me up, I get my normal gas. I'll put my pot for there. So here is the meat cooking nicely, and then after cooking for some minutes, I went ahead and added my cow skin. Of course, here is our bonga for the day, the banga, the palm nut cream. I've added some water inside my pot to warm it up, you know. Now we'll turn everything together so that it will warm because it don't kick or inside this can. Now why Europe? Oh, we know they see all those fresh banga they eat. So guys, do you know that this banga, after you don't warm her up, if you don't warm her, you know say you get some sand wey dey under. So anytime you want to cook your banga soup, make sure to see filter am like this because the sand dey under. Sand dey under. If you no filter am well, na sign na you go dey chop. This thing go don happen to many people. If you know, you know. So here I'm adding my fish because if I had added this fish to that meat all together to steam it, this fish will scatter. So that is the reason why I didn't add it before. Man, no go speak wrong English. Anyway, English no my pa language. So now I'm adding my fish, and then after adding this fish, I will now cover my pot to allow it to cook for like 5 minutes. Then I will come back and check it. So we'll move, okay? Please, if I'm not yet giving you a thumbs up, what are you waiting for now? You're watching video to this point. It means that you love what you are saying. Please give me a thumbs up so that you too can suggest this video to other channels. Because no, please. Okay guys, so I added some onion because onions and banga soup now 5 and 6. If you know, you know, really. So here are my banga spices. I don't know what they call this thing. I don't know what they call it. So what I know is Banga spices because I've been using it before, but I don't know the name for English. I beg, if you know the name, put am for the comment section so that next time I will know how to introduce am well give una. Okay guys, moving on, now I'll give my soup a very nice stir. After giving my soup a very nice stir, I will now go ahead and add what that need to be added. So keep watching, okay? Keep watching. I know you are enjoying it. Yes, I know you are enjoying this video. Okay guys, so I'll add my crayfish. After adding my crayfish, I will now go ahead and add all the Banga spices, all the gbogbo we go bring that Banga taste out from this soup. I will add all those things. Better food na money kill am o, I swear. So here are my Banga spices. I'm adding it now. After adding this one, I'll add the other one. You see that seed one I see that time? I'll blend them because you cannot put inside the soup like that. You have to blend it. So I blend everything. So now it be this one. So I dey pour inside. In fact, now this one they bring that Banga taste come outside. That Banga soup taste. Now this thing now they bring down come out. Okay. So after adding them, I will now give my soup a very gentle stir. Abeg, no go dey turn your soup igba. May not go scatter your fish because you see that fish. That fish. If you put that, if you don't cook finish, put your fish for your plate. As you dey see the fish like this, where you go dey there like odogu, dey look am. Now that one now be the joy. No go scatter your fish. So after giving my soup a very nice stir, I went ahead and added some seasoning cube. I say kidney. I added some seasoning cube. So here is my fresh bitter leaf. I cannot cook Banga soup without bitter leaf now or guinea. Why? I can't cook Banga soup without bitter leaf. So I wash my bitter leaf. Here I'm adding it. But meanwhile, before you add this your bitter leaf, please allow your soup to cook. May you don't cook reach halfway to comot am like 80% before you add your bitter leaf. So that bitter leaf no go come make your soup dark finish. Now see am just now the color where I been not that one I never put the bitter leaf, and when I don't put the bitter leaf, you people will see it. Okay guys, so moving on. Here na the all those shoko where I introduced giving at that time. Now it be this one. I didn't add it with the other meat because I don't want them to be too cooked. So cook your soup reach like 80% again before you add all this one. If not, it will be too soft. Just give this soup like 2 days. As they warm the soup they chop, all these things will come they soft like food one mama want chop. Me, I don't want that. So that's the reason why I did not add it before. Okay. So after adding it, give your soup a very gentle stir and then test it if everything is okay. And I tested mine. Everything was perfectly fine at this point. The soup done ready. But mo tell her I said the truth. You see this syrup Banga, it not be like the one they buy for it not be like the one they use for Africa. It can. So guys, you can see I'm trying to get some oil from my soup so that I'll use it to turn my starch. So here is the starch. If you don't know how to turn starch, you dey miss. Because if you no fit turn starch put for your Banga soup, what is the essence of Banga soup? Banga soup they always dey go well with starch. Believe me, they always dey go well with starch. So go and in fact learn how to turn starch. So here I dey turn my starch, the starch dey turn me, myself I dey turn. I say I no go gree because at this point I was a little bit tired because my baby was disturbing. I swear he was disturbing, and at this point I was really tired. But the starch I say I no go gree for now. I must turn you. So now so we dey turn. He dey turn me, I dey turn her. He dey turn me, I dey turn her. We turn. So I turn. He said they turn me, turn. Me say I turn. I say I no gree. I said okay, they turn me. That's why I turn the star. Say I no go gree for you. They say this year, and they say no gree for anybody. This is 2024. No gree for anybody. This starch, I no go gree for you. I must turn you and I must eat you, whether you like it or not. So that's how I was turning the starch. Meanwhile, you see this starch don't reach this point, this particular point. Put your energy, put all your power where you get. Put and turn. If not, this starch. If you no turn her well, you can't allow the starch turn you. seed go just many for inside this starch. So guys, that is how I was turning it. At the end of the day, look at what we got. Banga soup and starch. Thank you all so much for watching this video to those points. Guys, please like this video and also subscribe. I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.